Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, and today we are off to Hope, BC. And why are we going to Hope? We're going to check out the car show, so stick around, we're going to see what we can find. Welcome back to the channel, guys. And first off, happy birthday, Canada.
Happy birthday!
Pretty cool. I love living here. It's a beautiful country, and yeah, so many things to count your blessings on, for sure. So we're off to Hope, BC. Now, Hope, BC, it's definitely more of a smaller town and everything. It's more of a pass-through town. A lot of people gas up, grab their refreshments, and go from there. But it is somewhat of a hidden gem for the ones that are living there and closely within proximity of the cool town. It's an outdoor playground. It has your hikes, it has your lakes, it's total recreational. It's pretty cool. It's known for its famous Hope slide, and that's where we had the Highway 3 going through it, and I think it was like 1986, I want to say, but basically just through some minor earthquake disturbances, the whole side of the mountain just came down and unfortunately took 5 lives, I believe, and tragedy. And then of course the road was gone, and the lake was gone. It was a massive thing. So something to check out if you're ever doing the drive and read the history about it. And correct me if I'm wrong, because I've got some facts a little skewed, but it's, you know, just part of the history that we live in terms of BC and everything. So driving the town here, we're gonna see. I've never been to this car show, so we're gonna find out how big of a car show it is. And again, being kind of an older community, I wouldn't be surprised if there's some really cool gems of cars, some really rare muscle cars, some hot rods, total rebuilds. Again, just with the community itself, I think we might find some pretty cool rides. So we will find out in a few minutes here. I don't know. First off, I have no idea where this car show is even in Hope. Somewhere here. Like I said, it's a pretty small town. It's your fire hall. Well, I think we just found it. And there she be. Look at that. Yeah, there's a good turnout. So I see Randy and his GT 500 there. I just gotta find some parking. I think I'm gonna park right here, guys. And we're ready to check out a car show. And here we are. We're at the Hope Canada Day car show. So we're gonna check it out, see what we can find, and see what rare gems are located at this very, very special event. So let's go.
Have you ever met Miss Lindy?
We got an El Camino. I remember these things in high school. These were awesome rides.
Where she's mine. Yeah, she's mine. Well, I love that little girl.
And this is the car why I bought my '89 Firebird. You know, it was between a Firebird and Camaro, and that's the way the car has followed me. But beautiful ride.
Well, Miss Lindy, my Miss Lindy. Well, I love that little girl. Have you?
And 1957 Belairs. Sweet.
And when she does rock and roll, it take your breath away. Well, she's mine. Yeah, she's mine. Well, I love that little girl. She's so fine. Well, Miss Lindy, my Miss Lindy. Well, I love that little girl.
I love the orange, and I love the orange interior. Beautiful detail. And here's the rides I like, the Mustangs.
Well, Miss Lindy.
You don't see many of the Falcons anymore.
Well, I love that little girl right there. Have you ever seen Miss Lindy? She likes to dance all day, and when she does rock and roll, take your breath away. Well, she's mine.
there's something about the Belairs. Like I said, not known history. If I had to pick an era that I wanted to live in, the 1950s were pretty cool because it was a series of rebuilding, and most of all, it was just, you know, people took so much pride into what they did back then. So again, very cool. I love them.
Well, I love that little girl, she's so fine. Well, Miss Lindy's hair is fire red, her eyes are water blue. And when Miss Lindy smiles at me, oh, what it makes me do. Well, she's mine, yeah, she's mine. Well, I love that little girl, she's so fine. Well, Miss Lindy's hair is fire red, her eyes are water blue. And when Miss Lindy smiles at me, oh, what it makes me do. Well, she's mine, yeah, she's mine. Well, I love that little girl, baby. Well, Miss Lindy, my Miss Lindy. Well, I love that little girl, baby. Well, Miss Lindy, my Miss Lindy. She's my Lindy, my only Lindy. Well, I love that little girl.
Signed by Carroll Shelby himself. That's, yeah, wow. I'm lost without words for that one, guys.
Well, I love that little girl, baby. Well, Miss Lindy, my Miss Lindy. She's my Lindy, my only Lindy. Well, I love that little girl, baby.
Well, guys, that was the Hope Canada Day car show. Pretty cool. We saw a lot of very unique rides, you know, great conversations. Got a chance to talk to an individual who had an actual Mustang, a 66, I believe, that was signed by Carroll Shelby himself. So quite a cool history about that and where it came from. We talked about with the Rhode Iron group as well. There's about 40 of them here today. So again, nice seeing some friendly faces. Some of these cars you guys saw from the Chilliwack car show, pretty slick, but yeah, overall, definitely will consider coming to this one again next year and probably enter myself. So I'll leave it with that. I'll leave you with some kind of out cruises. If you guys haven't liked and subscribed, please do. Really appreciate the support, and we'll keep these videos coming throughout the summer. See ya.